Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. So today I'll be teaching you on how to find a song progression. This one is boring. I don't want to lie to you, it's boring, but it helps you, especially when you are practicing and you don't know how to find a song progression. You are confused. What is happening? How do people doing it? And the more you practice it and the more you understand it, it helps you even when you are on the stage. But when you don't understand these, when you're not fully saturated with this, please do not try it on the stage. It's better you try it in your locker room where you are alone. Okay, to confuse yourself until you find out what you want. So first of all, you need to find them key of the singer. So the singer is you. Find the key of your voice. Okay, put it there. Then you play in that key. So you need to also to understand the scale of the key that you're using. The scale, because on that scale, that's where you can find the melody that you need. So we need to find the melody of the song that you need. Right, so please, I'm doing this for the beginners. If you're an intermediate, if you're an advanced player, please, this might not help you. Please, I'm doing this for the beginners. If you are not a beginner, please, it might not help you. So please, so I'll be using the song Makanaka Jesu. Okay, so it must be on mine. Okay, so I have to start from here. For you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's okay. I need ma. Yes, yeah, ma. Wonderful. Makanaka Jesu. Then the other one is higher. So it's Makana. Okay, so it's Makanaka Jesu. Then yes. Makanaka Jesu. No. Coming back to 2. So now I find the first part. Makanaka Jesu. Alright, so this, I need this note, this and this and this. Alright, that's the first one. So if I start, it's not coming out. So this note, it's either I use 1, right here. It's either I use 1 or I use 4, because it's also 1 included. 5, I cannot use it because it's not included. So, okay, so you see it's coming out on 4. So you can use the notes to number 1, right? So that's alright. Now the second one, I'm finding it here. Okay, so this is this note. I can use this one, right? This note. Alright, so okay, then hold my 2 here, or you can use this. Alright, yes. Okay, so it helps you a lot. Alright, then so let's say you don't know the chords, so you just use the notes. Z or Easy like that. And basically do it on the easiest songs. Don't do it on the most hardest song. Try to find easy songs. It can help you. Okay, so I now need simu zao. Okay, so you now need there simu zao. Okay, so this is So this, you can hold it like this. So basically, you can put your note to the last so that you can be able to tap it. So I can take number 2. Number 4, but it's making it's not coming out like. So you can try it in any song. Notes, so you can take chords from the notes. So if I say this is number 4, okay. So this note is either 6 or 4. So you try number 6, you try number 4, you see which one fits in. If I say number 6. Coming out. All right. Number 1 was it? So just see. Then again, because we are going here. All right. So this is number 5 and number 1. So basically, this one you can either use it in 4. 1. This one is either use it on 5 or 2. This one, the 1, basically 1, yes, 1 maybe, and 3. Well, this one. This is number 4. You can also use it in 2 because it's now repeating. Okay, it's now repeating there. So basically that's how you can do it.